Hi, this is Dr. Rahul Pandya. Welcome to our channel. In today's episode, we will discuss the 6 major types of unintentional or accidental plagiarism. Unintentional or accidental plagiarism occurs when the authors are unaware of writing ethics or when they miss out on human error. It is also known as unconscious plagiarism, which occurs when we unknowingly present someone else's ideas or works as ours. There are 6 major types of unintentional or accidental plagiarism, such as incorrect or misleading citations, which are also known as source referencing, forgot to cite, forgot to quote and cite, forgot to write footnotes, the resourceful citer or stitching the sources, and incorrect paraphrasing. Let's understand each type in detail. Incorrect citations or source referencing include several subtypes, such as cite inaccurate sources, false citations, or misleading citations. As a consequence of inaccurate citations, source references, or misleading citations, readers are often unable to locate the cited sources. It also occurs when we provide insufficient detail in the references and forget a few details, such as publisher's name, page numbers, year, month, volume number, etc. Unintentional plagiarism occurs when we forget to cite the source. As shown in the snapshot below, the presented information is paraphrased from the following source, and by mistake, we forgot to cite the source. The plagiarism checker may not be able to identify the source. However, despite paraphrasing, the presented information is still called plagiarized. In the case of forgotten quotation marks, we forgot to quote the directly copied information. The author cited a source but forgot to place the referred text in the quotation marks. In the case of a direct copy of any information or text, citing a source is insufficient. The quotation mark is mandatory. Without quotation marks, it is assumed that the authors are falsely claiming the presented information. As shown below, the presented information text is directly copied from the cited source. However, we forgot to put the copied text under the quotation marks. Therefore, it is considered the case of unintentional or accidental plagiarism. To avoid such instances, as shown below, we must quote the copied information along with the citation. In the case of forgotten footnotes, as shown in the snapshot, the authors cite the source correctly for the presented information. However, they forgot to include footnotes about the specific information on the location of the source material. The forgotten footnotes is also considered a case of unintentional or accidental plagiarism. In the case of resourceful citer or stitching the sources, the authors paraphrase the original information, use the quotation marks, and cite all the sources. However, presented article lacks novelty. The presented article is a collection of the existing works and does not contain the original work. This is considered a case of unintentional or accidental plagiarism. It is often challenging to identify this form of plagiarism because it appears like any other well-researched article. Incorrect paraphrasing is also considered as one type of unintentional plagiarism. Here, the authors have well cited the paraphrased information. However, by mistake, they altered the meaning of the original information. When paraphrasing, please ensure that the original meaning of the source information remains intact. Before we leave, please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you very much.